Ready to supercharge your e-commerce marketing? You're in for a treat. Today we're uncovering 5 game-changing Omnisend features that might be flying under your radar. But they're exactly what you need to ramp up engagement, drive conversions, and streamline your marketing like a pro. Let's dive in and unlock the full potential of your campaigns, dude. First up, let's talk about product reviews. Collecting reviews directly through Omnisend can be a game changer for building trust and driving conversions. Customers are much more likely to purchase a product when they see positive feedback from others. Funny enough, a single review can boost your orders by 10%. Setting up product reviews is simple. After you set up the widget for your store, automated emails will be enabled automatically, asking your buyers to review the products after a purchase. This not only helps you gather valuable feedback, but also provides social proof that can be displayed directly on your product pages. And now you know. Start leveraging the power of customer reviews to boost credibility and drive more sales. And check out this video where I go in depth on product reviews. Next, let's talk about product recommendations. This feature uses your customers' behavior to suggest products they're most likely to purchase. It's like having a personal assistant embedded in your emails. What is it that kids say these days to express their excitement? Pog, W-take, bussin' for real? I feel old. Simply drag and drop the product recommendation block into your email template and Omnisend will automatically fill it with personalized suggestions based on the overall sales data from your store. This not only boosts your average order value, but also enhances the shopping experience for your customers. But the real magic comes in automations like customer reactivation, where you can include suggestions for the specific recipient based on their own shopping behavior. And now you know, make your emails more relevant and increase sales by letting Omnisend do the heavy lifting with product recommendations. Coming in at number 3 is the campaign booster. Ever send out a campaign only to find out a large chunk of your audience didn't even open it? With campaign booster, you can automatically resend your email to those non-openers at a later time, giving your campaign a second chance to shine. You can tweak the subject line or even the content of the email to catch their attention and set the resend time that works best for your audience. It's a simple but effective way to increase your open rates. And now you know, why settle for one shot when you can double your chances with Campaign Booster? And if you want to learn more about Campaign Booster and learn how to set it up, we have a video just for you right here. Moving on, let's dive into A/B testing. This feature allows you to experiment with different versions of your emails to see what resonates best with your audience. Test subject lines, content variations, or even send times to find out what drives the most engagement. And I'm not talking just about campaign A/B testing. A/B test your forms and automations alongside your campaigns. A/B testing is about finding what works best and removing the rest, so your campaigns hit the mark and leave your audience impressed. Oh, thank you. And now you know, use A/B testing to make data-driven decisions that improve your results. Last but definitely not least is the push notifications feature. This is a fantastic way to reach your customers directly on their browsers, even when they're not actively checking their email. With Omnisend, you can send web push notifications to alert customers about flash sales, new arrivals, or exclusive offers. Setting up push notifications is quick and easy. Just choose your audience, craft a short and compelling message, and hit send. These notifications appear directly on the user's browser or mobile device, making them perfect for time-sensitive updates or promotional offers. And now you know, push notifications offer a powerful way to keep your customers engaged and drive traffic back to your site without relying solely on email. Needless to say, all of these features are available in Omnisend, even on a free plan. So if you're not using Omnisend yet, sign up using the link below or just left click on your URL bar, type in omnisend.com and hit enter. That should do it. And now there you have it. Whether it's product reviews, product recommendations, campaign boosters, A/B testing, or push notifications, these Omnisend tools can help you get more out of your marketing efforts. Thanks for watching, and if you're still watching, I feel like this video might suit your interests. Also, we don't get a lot of comments on our videos, so please leave a comment with your favorite Gen Alpha slang term. Skibbity W Riz for real, lads.